If you're looking to start your clothing brand and you're looking for mockups, you're in the right place. I got you. What is good, ladies and gentlemen? Kinkuba here, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to create a mockup for your brand. Now, first off, you probably ask yourself, what do you need the mockups for? There are basically two reasons you need this mockup for. One is basically see how your designs will be on a real shirt. Two is to send to your manufacturer to show them how you want your print and your design to be. So first of all, we are going to start off here. As you can see, I have my hoodie mockup on my Photoshop right here. So if you basically if you want me to show you, or if you want me to give you all the mockup, all you have to do is just drop a comment down below. I'm going to give you a full editable package of hoodies, shirt design. Just drop a comment down below and like the video. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is you want to download your PNG design. Your design has to be in PNG. PNG basically means you don't have a background and design, just pure design. There is no color at the background. So what you want to do, you want to download your background. So what I'm going to do here, I have my background in my Gmail. Now, as you can see, I have my designs in my Gmail. I've done some mockups for this. And also, there are two ways you can do your mockup, but I'm just going to show you the easier method right now. You can also drop a comment if you want to see other methods on how to do your mockup. But this one, I'm going to show you, it isn't as realistic as your normal shirt would be. Basically, it's just a template. It's not really a shirt, but you can also do different types of mockup. If you want me, as I said, if you want me to do that, just drop a comment down below. I'm going to show you the simple methods to just do this. So I'm going to download my designs right here. And you can see I've entered. As you can see, I've gone into my Photoshop right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my designs, and basically I'm just going to drag them into, let me do this one by one. I'm going to drag them into my Photoshop, as you can see. Then all you want to do, if you're using Mac, you don't need to hold Command. All you can do is just reduce the size. But if you're using a normal desktop, all you have to hold Control and then adjust down. So basically what I'm going to do is here, you're just going to place your design how you want it. As this method I'm going to show you, just basically to see how your design looks on the shirt. This is not what you're going to send to your manufacturer, because that one you're going to need a tech pack. If you want me to do a video on that, just let me know. All you want to do right here is just you want to place it to see how your designs will look. You can also do this while you're designing your logos or your design, you know what I'm saying. You can also look at it from this method so that you can see what you want to adjust or what you want to carry on, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm going to place my designs, reduce it right here. You guys think this is good? I should reduce it. I feel like I want to leave it a little bit higher, you know what I'm saying. I feel like this is good. Is this good? Is this centered enough? As you can see, it's not really perfect because I'm just doing it to show you all how it look. This is not, if I'm going to send to my manufacturer, obviously I'm going to give it a little bit more detail, give it more adjustments and all. So I think, yeah. Then after doing this, what you want to do is you want to go to Files, Export, or you can also use Save As. Then what you want to do, you want to save as. Save on your computer. You can save it as PSD if you still want to edit it later in the future, or you can save it as a JPEG. If you save it as a JPEG, you can't edit it. That's how it's going to be for the rest of your whole design. It's going to be like you can't edit it, or you can save it as both. And yeah, that is it basically. Just put it your mockup, your design and mockup. As always, if you want me to drop the mockup, shirts and all below, if you want me to show you other method on how to do this, drop a comment down below, like the video, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, thank you all for watching.